Lecture 12: Security, Limitations, and How to Collaborate with AI. ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but like any tool, its impact depends on how you use it. Relying on it blindly can lead to serious missteps: sharing sensitive data, accepting inaccurate information, or wasting time on misleading outputs. In this lecture, we will learn how to collaborate with ChatGPT responsibly, where it falls short, how to spot inaccuracies, what not to share, and how to ensure that you remain in control of the process, so the AI enhances your work rather than undermining it. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to identify what ChatGPT can and can't do, avoid common security and privacy mistakes, spot hallucinations, bias, and outdated information, use AI responsibly in team or public settings, understand the limits of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is not all-knowing. It doesn't browse the internet in real time, unless you are using a specific tool version like with browsing enabled, and it can't verify facts or check sources. Key limitations: no access to current, real-time news, unless specified. May hallucinate facts, for example, confidently give you incorrect information. Doesn't always cite sources or link to verifiable material. May reflect bias based on its training data. Tip: always fact-check critical answers, especially in academic, legal, financial, or medical contexts. Don't share sensitive or personal information. Never treat ChatGPT like a secure storage system. Avoid typing client names or email addresses, passwords, API keys, or internal documents, student records, health information, or payment details. OpenAI may retain conversations to improve performance, even if anonymized. Rule: if you won't share it with a stranger, don't type it into ChatGPT. Learn to spot hallucinations. Sometimes ChatGPT makes things up, even full sources, links, or fake examples. How to catch hallucinations? Ask follow-up questions. Can you cite your source? Google unfamiliar facts before trusting them. If the answer sounds too perfect, double-check it. Use it for brainstorming, not final drafts or unverified research. Respect copyright or originality. ChatGPT can generate ideas and text, but you are responsible for making sure your work is ethical and not plagiarized. Do not copy-paste large AI outputs into academic papers. Submit AI-generated code as your own without review. Claim generated content as 100% original without editing or fact-checking. Use ChatGPT to assist, not replace your voice or expertise. Collaborating with AI in teams. When working with others, be transparent if you are using AI. Don't hide that your draft, outline, or idea came from ChatGPT. Set share rules. What can be AI assisted versus human created? Example: this email was drafted with ChatGPT and reviewed by me before sending. ChatGPT is a powerful collaborator, but only when used thoughtfully. It's not a search engine, not a secure storage tool, and not a replacement for your brain. Use it to assist, not to replace. Stay in charge. Fact check what matters, and never assume the AI knows best. The most skilled users are not the ones who ask the most, but the ones who ask wisely.